Hello guys, and yes, kaninang umaga, kakatapos ko lang panoodin yung SmackDown. And grabe yung SmackDown na yun. Ang ganda ng mga, ang ganda ng program. Opening segment ng Bloodline. Um, Opening segment ng Bloodline. Gusto ni Sami Zayn na mag-apologize si Roman Reigns kay Jey Uso. Nag-apologize naman, sabi niya, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you need to waste our time with him. Tapos biglang umalis na si Sami Zayn sa ring. And then punta tayo sa ending segment. Sabi ni Solo Sikoa, I'm here to challenge you to a War Games match. Go tell your 4 other guys who wants to team up with you. Biglang binugbog ng Bloodline si Roman Reigns. Yun, dumating si Sami Zayn, inannounce ni Solo Sikoa na ang 5th member daw si Sami Zayn, pero hindi. Inuutusan ni Solo Sikoa na sipain ni Sami Zayn si Roman Reigns sa ulo, pero hindi, backfired. Sinipa ni Sami Zayn si Solo Sikoa sa ulo, no? Then of course, yan na, nag-reunion na yung Bloodline. So the original Bloodline is back, baby. So eto na yon, 3 weeks at Survivor Series, November 30, no? The original Bloodline versus the new Bloodline. It will be a War Games match, and we don't know yet, guys. We don't know who is the 5th member of both teams, but I know who is the 5th member of the new Bloodline member, of course. Who is the 5th member of the new Bloodline? My thoughts exactly, it's going to be The Rock. The Rock is going to be the 5th member of the War Games match in 3 weeks at Survivor Series. And pagdating naman kay Roman Reigns, hindi pa natin alam. Maybe si Zilla Fatu, yung anak ni Umaga, no? Hindi pa natin alam, at marami pang combustible elements leading up to Survivor Series, yung build up. Malalaman pa natin by siguro mga ilang weeks pa, 3 weeks pa, no, bago mag Survivor Series. Pero grabe, napaka-solid na SmackDown na yun. Encourage ko kayo manood na. And of course, kung yun lang naman yung natin, nag-reunion na yung original Bloodline, Sami Zayn, the Usos, and Roman Reigns to face the new Bloodline of Solo Sikoa, the Tongans, and Jacob Fatu in a Survivor Series Bloodline War Games match. Hindi pa talaga natin alam kung sino yung 5th member ng dalawang grupo, pero ang hula ko lang, no, our guess, or my guess is the 5th member of Solo Sikoa's Bloodline team will be The Rock, and maybe Zilla Fatu will be the 5th member of Roman Reigns. So, yun lang naman. And, if you like this video, guys, follow nyo na ako sa TikTok kung gusto nyo pag-usapan natin na sandamakmak na wrestling and gaming. Follow na ako dito sa TikTok kung gusto nyo usapan na wrestling at saka gaming. And of course, follow me here on YouTube. Peace out, guys!